Assalamu alaikum, I'm Asadur Rahman, Director HR at Hotel One. Today I will be talking on the power of positivity and hopefulness. Now, why I have chosen this topic? Because there is an environment of hopelessness and negativity around us. It is because of these uncertain times of COVID-19 that businesses are closed, people are losing their job, there are issues going on in the family, there are issues between colleagues and friends, and because of all these issues, there is an environment of uncertainty, negativity, and hopelessness. Now, how you can change this uncertain, negative, and hopeless environment to a positive and hopeful environment is very critical and important. I would be telling you a few tips, few techniques which you can use to change this negative and hopeless environment. My mantra for being hopeful is very simple. Count all the blessings that you have in your life, starting from your body. You have your eyes intact through which you can see. There are millions of people who cannot see. You have ear through which you can hear. You can walk on your feet. There are millions who cannot walk on their feet. Then look around yourself in your home. If you have an air-conditioned room, there are millions of people who cannot afford electricity. There are millions of people who do not sleep at homes, they sleep at footpaths. Now, just look yourself in past 10 years. If you had something in past and if you are not having that particular thing right now, you can be hopeless. But if you would see in past, majority of the things you won't be having in past, but you are having right now. You may not have a job in past, but you are having a job at the moment. You may not have a car in past, but you are having a car at the moment. So be thankful for all these blessings that Allah have given you. And then strive for your next blessing. Strive for next blessing of Allah. Only when you would be thankful, you would be able to achieve the next when you would be thankful. So my friends, thankfulness is very important. If you will thank, then you will get the next thing that you are wishing to have. But you need to put your effort too. Only thankfulness won't work. You need to put 100% of your effort and then you will achieve what is destined for you. So start trying your best for anything that you are wishing to achieve. And once you would put your effort, Allah would reward you with that results of that effort. My friend, that is a small message from my side. I am sure that you will put your 100% effort and you will be thankful. Thank you very much.